Hello students, today I am going to discuss price float. What is price float? Clear? I am going to discuss it. So, what do you mean by price float? At first, I will discuss the definition. Those definitions are correct. Either you will write in the examination this or this. Both are correct. Okay. At first, try to understand this definition. Okay. I think you can see it. Sometimes the government may legally fix the minimum price which the sellers may sell a particular goods or service. Okay. Such price is known as price floor or minimum support price. It means what? Try to understand. It refers the you will write this or this. It refers to the minimum price. It refers the minimum price above the equivalent price fixed by the government, which the producer must be paid for their produce. Okay, to protect why it is essential need is what to protect farmer produce. It means what? Government wants to protect the farmer. Government wants to protect the farmer uh, for selling the goods of the farmer. Why government wants to protect the farmer? Because farmer is the pillar of our country. Okay, if farmer will cry, then everybody will cry. So, anyhow, government wants to protect the farmers. That's why he wants to give the price to the farmer above the equilibrium price. How? I know very well you will not understand properly if I will explain the definition. That's why I will explain. I am going to explain another way. I will draw the diagram, then you can understand properly. Okay. So, try to see the diagram. Okay. If you have not understood this definition, try to see the diagram. Okay. I am going to write the diagram, draw the diagram, try to understand. Okay. I think you can see it. So, what is here is the government. Okay, he wants to, here is the government, clear? Here is the government, he wants to protect the farmer, he wants to protect the farmer. Government wants to protect the farmers. This is called price float. Okay, or above the equilibrium. I think you can understand very easily. Okay, I have drawn the flow chart. Okay, government started a scheme. Government started a scheme for protecting the farmers. Okay, for saving the farmers, for the benefit of the farmers, that is called price float. Okay, or above the equilibrium price. I think you can understand. Okay, yeah, come in the definition. It refers to the minimum price above the equilibrium price. It refers to the minimum price above the equilibrium price fixed by the government, which the producer must be paid for their producer. Who is the producer? Producer. Farmer is producer. Who will fix the price? Government will fix the price. Who will give the price? Government will give the price. To whom? Farmer. It means what? Try to understand in Hindi if you are unable to understand it. गवर्नमेंट फार्मर्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए जो है उसको उसके सामानों को जो है, चाहे राइस हो, वीट हो, चाहे जो भी हो, उसके सामान को जो है ज़्यादा दाम दिलाने के लिए जो है, ठीक है, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, उसको ज़्यादा पैसा दिलाने के लिए, ज़्यादा दाम दिलाने के लिए जो है, ठीक है, जो प्राइस फिक्स करती है उसी को हम लोग प्राइस फ्लोर बोलते हैं. इट रेफर्स टू द मिनिमम प्राइस अबव द इक्विलिब्रियम प्राइस फिक्स बाय द गवर्नमेंट विच द प्रोड्यूसर मस्ट बी पेड फॉर देयर प्रोड्यूस. आई थिंक यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. The government protect the farmers. Okay, government wants to protect the farmer. That's why he has started the scheme, and he fixed the price, that is called price float. It means above the equilibrium. I think you can understand. Okay, try to understand by the diagram. Okay, we know very well this is price. Okay, and this is quantity. Clear? This is price and this is quantity. Clear? So we know very well this is supply and this is demand. This is supply and this is demand. Clear? I think you can understand. And governments, this is equilibrium point. This point is equilibrium. Okay, this is P, this is Q. Okay, government wants to fix the price above the equilibrium. This is equilibrium. He wants to fix the price above the equilibrium. That this is equilibrium price. Okay, I think you are unable to see it. You can see. So government wants to fix the price above the equilibrium. So this is equilibrium point. Above the equilibrium point is this. Okay, so this is equilibrium E1. Clear? Above the equilibrium. Clear? The government wants to protect the farmers. Okay, for saving the farmers. Okay, he wants to fix the price above the equilibrium. This is above. Clear? Above the equilibrium. That is called floor price or price floor. We know very well what is floor. Floor क्या होता है? जो एक तल्ला दो तल्ला, ये क्या होता है? above. तो ये फ्लोर हो गया. पहले हम लोग यहाँ थे, अभी हम लोग का फ्लोर हो गया. तो he wants to increase the price above the equilibrium. तो ये P था, ये P1, Q था, Q1. So government wants to protect the farmers. Okay, that's why he fixed the price above the equilibrium. E1. That is called, okay, above the, this is price, and okay, increasing, and here is decreasing. We know very well, and this is 0. Okay, the government started the scheme. The scheme was that he wants to protect the farmers. Okay, and he wants to fix the price above the equilibrium. That is called floor price or price floor. Okay, clear? If you have not understood, then I will discuss via table, through table. Okay, I am going to draw the table. Please see the table if you have not understood properly. This is rupees, this is demand, this is supply. Clear? I think you can see it. This is 20, 30, okay. Demand is 1000. Supply clear? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear? If when demand was 20, then when price was 20, on that time demand was 1000. Okay, supply was 600. When price increased 30, then demand decreased. We know very well law of demand. We know very well. In previous class already I have discussed, price increases, demand decreases, price decreases, demand increases. So here what is price increasing? Price increasing, price increasing means this point is happening. Price increasing, the demand decreasing. This is demand, demand is continuously decreasing. Okay. But suppose you are supplier, suppose you are farmer, you want to earn more money. ओके आप सप्लायर बन के सोचिए, आप फार्मर बन के सोचिए, तो आप क्या करेंगे, जो है आप सोचेंगे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इनकम हो, तो इफ़ यू विल इंक्रीज द प्राइस देन यू विल increase your supply. Okay, on 20 rupees you are supplying 600, 30 700 and 40 800, you are earning more and more, and this is your equilibrium. This is your equilibrium point, market equilibrium. Clear? This point is market equilibrium point. Okay, market equilibrium point. This point is, government wants to protect the farmers, and he wants to fix the price above the equilibrium. Okay, this is equilibrium point. Okay, he wants to give the farmers the price of above the equilibrium. This he wants to give this price, okay, more than equilibrium point, because he wants to save the he wants to protect the farmers, whom protect the farmers. Okay, that's why he wants to increase the price above the equilibrium. Here already I have given the definition. Already here I have written the definition. It refers to the minimum price above the equilibrium price fixed by the government, which the producer must be paid for their production. Why? Because government wants to protect the farmers. Clear? I think you can understand. That's why government wants to increase the price. Okay, it means what? Government, if price will increase continuously, then demand will decrease. Here price increasing, then demand decreasing. If price will increase, okay, if price will increase, then demand will decrease. If demand will decrease, then who will purchase? Nobody. Okay, if you will continuously increase your price, then nobody will purchase your goods. Okay, you will be the seller, but nobody will purchase your goods, because you are giving above the equilibrium price. That's why nobody will purchase your goods. Clear? Then who will purchase your goods? Who will purchase? Who will purchase your goods if nobody will purchase your goods? Government, you are farmer, who will purchase your goods? Your goods will be purchased by the government. Government will purchase your goods. Okay, and he will sell to the, then he will give you more than the equilibrium price. Okay, then you will think that why he will purchase? Because he wants to protect the farmers. Okay, that's why he will give better price to the farmers for rice, wheat, etc. Okay, and this rice and wheat will be sold by the government to ration shop. In ration shop. Okay, it means what? Suppose he is purchasing 30 rupees per kg rice, and he is selling in ration shop 10 rupees to the poor and needy people. Okay, this is called floor price. Okay, I think you can understand properly. You understood properly, I think. Okay, so this is called floor price. Okay, government wants to increase the price for government wants to protect the government, I think you are unable to see it. Government wants to protect the farmers for government wants to protect the farmers. Okay, this is called price floor. He wants to give the price above the equilibrium, that is called price floor. Okay, यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसको जो है आप ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. ओके.